Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the world's highest railway arch bridge in Kashmir. With 359 meters above the Chenab River, the rail bridge even surpasses the height of Eiffel Tower of Paris by 35 times. Moreover, the bridge is at least 5 times the height of Qutub Minar. But what makes a Chenab bridge so special? First, it can withstand wind speeds up to 266 km per hour. Given its location in a high-risk seismic zone, the Chenab railway bridge can withstand tremors of high magnitude. For this, decades of research and consultation were needed to ensure that it was strong enough for train movement and to withstand bad weather. Secondly, the bridge has been designed in a way that allows trains to pass through even if any supporting structure gets damaged. The government describes the bridge as the biggest civil engineering challenge faced by any railway projects in India in recent history. But why? It is because of area's challenging topography and remote location. Also, as the bridge's construction was tasked in the Himalayan region, the transportation of used construction machinery and resources became extremely challenging. This project ends over 70 years of wait time for a direct train service to Kashmir Valley. That is because the first proposal to connect the Kashmir Valley to the rest of the country was during the tenure of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in the 1970s. It was then approved during the tenure of former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao in 1994. And finally, the construction of the Chenab railway bridge began during the tenure of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2002. And today, the wait ends. The Chenab rail bridge stands as an architectural marvel and is truly a testament to cutting-edge Indian engineering.